Welcome to another great video. This is your first time here. My name is Udoh, and every week I share content that can help you master your personal finance and grow your wealth. Now, in today's video, I'm going to be talking about, you know, investing while you're in your 20s and 30s. Okay. And these are things that I wish I had known when I was younger. Unfortunately, sometimes we learn things when we're much older. Okay. So this is for anyone who's in their 20s or 30s, and you need to hear this. Okay. So the first thing you want to do is you want to make sure that, you start saving and investing early. Now, when I say saving and investing, when you save your money, you're saving money for emergencies. Okay. So you need to make sure that you have an emergency fund whereby, you're saving at least a certain amount of your money. So let's say, for instance, you can save maybe 3 to 6 months worth of expenses in an account in case of emergencies. So that way, you handle life events that happen. Okay. And then the next thing you want to do is once you have your 3 to 6 months expense saved up, then you want to start tackling any debt. So if you have any, student's loan or any credit card debt or car payments and stuff like that. So your first thing you want to do is, you want to get rid of those debt because they take money out of your pocket. So once you've tackled that, then you want to start investing. And because you're younger, you have time on your side because time is what most of us don't have. Okay, so with time and with the magic of compound interest, okay, you can, have your money grow for you. Okay, so this is one of the things that no one tells you because when you're younger, you're in your 20s or your 30s, the temptation is there to try to keep up with your friends. Okay, in terms of buying a flashy car or wearing designer outfits, trying to compete with your friends, what this person has or what that person doesn't have, the latest phones, the latest gadgets. Okay, these are some of the traps that most people in the 20s and 30s fall through or go through. Okay, and this affects you from setting yourself up financially. So you want to make sure that you start saving and you start investing while you're still young. So if you're 20, you're 30, now's the time for you to get that going because based on my analytics on my channel, it shows that I have a lot of people, okay, who are in that age bracket. So you want to start early. Okay, these are things that I wish I had known. I would have started earlier in my career, in my life, to start building myself up financially. Then the next thing you want to do is you want to learn to live below your, below your means. Okay, which means you want to make sure that whatever you're bringing in for income, okay, you're at least saving a portion of it, which means, for instance, paying yourself first. Okay, making sure that your income exceeds your expenses because, like I said, we all want to drive nice cars, we want to wear designer outfits, designer shoes and things like that because you want to compete with your friends. However, that's not what you want to do. You don't want to be like everybody else. Okay, you want to make sure that you live below your means, which means you have a surplus every month which you can put towards savings and also towards investing. And when I talk about investing, I'm talking about income producing assets. Okay, which we're going to discuss in the next section. Now, the next thing you want to do is you want to start a business. Okay, you shouldn't rely on just your paycheck. Okay, everybody should have some form of business because there are many advantages to having a business. Okay, because it gives you extra streams of income, but also there are also tax advantages when you have a business. Now, I am not a tax professional or a tax advisor, but based on my experience and what I've done in the past, it's always beneficial for you to have a side business or your own business because it's more favorable when you have your own business. So this way you can develop multiple streams of income because that's the key. Based on a study I saw, it shows that, most millionaires have at least 7 streams of income. All right. Just take, for instance, any of your millionaires or billionaires out there. Okay, they all have multiple streams of income, different businesses that they have. Okay, that's bringing income in every single month. Then the next thing you want to do is invest in real estate. Now, it doesn't mean you have to be a landlord. There are many platforms out there today that actually offer you an opportunity to participate in this particular arena or this particular sector. So real estate is a very stable. I know there are ups and downs, but it's one of the only asset class that, if you want to borrow against it, banks and financial institutions are always ready to give you a loan based on your real estate. Okay, that's the only tangible asset that banks love. Okay, banks love property. Okay, you can actually see it, you can touch it, you can feel it. Okay, that's one asset class that has made a lot of people wealthy. So if you want to increase your net worth, real estate is the way to go. Okay, and then finally, personal development. You always want to make sure that you level yourself up. You always want to level up. Okay, you can't just be stagnant. You can't just do what other people are doing. You always want to invest in yourself, because investing in yourself is the greatest investment you can ever have. Okay, you're the greatest asset, you know, um, that you can invest in. So don't neglect investing in yourself. Whether it's mastermind classes, whether it's hiring a coach, or having a mentor, you always want to make sure that you level yourself up. Okay, so these are the 5 things that you should work on if you want to actually take care of your personal finance in your 20s and your 30s. You want to make sure that you abide by this. This is just a snapshot of things that you should be doing. Okay, it's not everything, all right, but this is just a way to start. So if you like my content, I'm not a guru or whatever. I'm just a regular guy on YouTube, just trying to help as many people as possible level up their lifestyle and level up their bank accounts. Okay, so thank you so much for being here. And as usual, if you like my content, make sure you smash that thumbs up button, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Let's help this channel grow. Share my content with most people. And if you have any comments, make sure you leave a comment down below. Until next time, I'll catch you in my next video. Take care, folks. Bye-bye.